or we can convert a PDF into Microsoft Word. A PDF into Microsoft Word. A lot of you might get a file in PDF and you want to make some edit, but you just don't know how to do that. So I'm going to show you how you're going to convert PDF into Microsoft Word. And I'll be guiding you through that process. Alright, so this is the PDF document right here that we want to convert. But how we're going to convert that? Alright, I'm going to show you two ways in which we can convert it. First, we want to come right here in the taskbar and click on the Microsoft Word. Now, click on the Microsoft Word, you're going to come right here, New, and then click on a blank document. Now, we actually have a blank Microsoft Word document. So, what we wanted to do, we come all the way to your left, where you see the word File, click on the word File. When you click on the word File, you're going to click Open. When you click on Open, you're going to come all the way down, where you see this word here, Browse. You click on Browse. Alright, and when you click on Browse, you're going to scroll and look for the PDF document. Let me scroll up a bit. Alright. So I'm not seeing the PDF. So what I'm going to come over here, I'm going to click on the desktop. Alright, and then I'm going to look for the PDF now. I'm going to scroll down some more. Alright, this is the PDF that we're looking for. So I'm going to click on it. You notice when I click on it, it highlight. So you're going to come right here, it's open here. You click on it. When you click on it, you notice you bring up this small window here, and it said that Word will now convert your PDF into editable Word document. But this will take a while. Why? If you have 200 pages, it will take a time to convert. But if you have less than that, if it's no time, it will. So you notice you have help, you have cancel, and you have OK. So you're going to click on the word OK. Right? And there you go. So this is how we actually convert it. Right? So this is one way. So I'm going to show the other way in which you can convert it. Right? You're going to come back in the task. We're going to click on the document, just like that. We're going to come over here and click on Word New here. So I'm going to minimize this, just like that. Right? So we're going to minimize it so that we can see the next one. Let me shift it a bit. Alright, so this is the PDF that you want to convert to Microsoft. You notice this is a blank. So you're going to drag this and drop it right inside here. So this is the second way. So you're going to hold it and just drag it and drop it in here. You notice you bring up the same thing that is a Word will now convert your PDF into editable document. You notice you give you help, cancel, and OK. You're going to click on OK. Right, and notice if I come right and expand, you notice you see actually the same thing. Alright, so very important that they actually know exactly how to do this thing here. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to share it to your friend and also subscribe.